Who says classic cars can't be given a modern, stunning look? The Shelby Cobra is back, but this time with a face and performance that's guaranteed to make your eyes pop and your heart flutter. Meet the 2025 Shelby Cobra, legendary icon that's evolved into a futuristic work of automotive art. And trust us, you won't expect what's in store. Hey, before we go any further, don't forget to press the subscribe button and activate the notification bell, because more exciting and in-depth automotive content will continue to be present here. Okay, keep going. Let's get started. Starting from the exterior, the 2025 Shelby Cobra really managed to maintain its classic DNA. The Cobra's signature aerodynamic design is maintained, but this time it is equipped with sophisticated modern elements. Note the front grille, which is now equipped with active aerodynamics technology. The flat LED lights add an aggressive impression without losing its elegant side. But the most interesting thing, the body of this car uses the latest carbon fiber material that is not only light, but also super strong. Shelby really understands how to make this car look wild, but still have high class. Let's get to the interior, and there's another big surprise. If you thought the Shelby Cobra was all about power, you'd be wrong. The 2025's interior design combines luxury and high-tech. Check out the premium leather bucket seats with precise hand stitching. The full display digital dashboard comes with a responsive and user-friendly interface. Now here's the most anticipated part, the heart of the 2025 Shelby Cobra. It's powered by a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that produces insane power, 750 horsepower with 800 Newton-meters of torque, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Less than 3 seconds. And while such brutal power would normally make fuel consumption a nightmare, the 2025 Shelby Cobra is equipped with mild hybrid technology that makes it a little more environmentally friendly. Well, a little more environmentally friendly. Because it is a beast, right? The 2025 Shelby Cobra isn't just a car, it's the embodiment of a glorious blend of automotive history and future technology. It's a car that's not just driven, but felt. So, for those of you who don't want to miss out on the latest automotive trends, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on your notifications, so we can continue to discuss cars as cool as this one together.